The E11 Blaster rifle was a light but powerful blaster rifle manufactured by the Blastech Industries. It served as the standard issue weapon of the Imperial Stormtroopers and was based on the DC-15A blaster carbine used by clone troopers during the Clone Wars. The E11 Blaster rifle combined lethal firepower with impressive range and a versatile design. Featuring 3 power settings, lethal stun and sting, the rifle proved useful for a variety of combat situations. An advanced cooling system resulted in the blaster's superior performance, especially useful for its fully automatic fire setting. The E11 also included a telescopic range-finding sight and a folding 3-position stock, which could convert the blaster into a full-length rifle. Its standard issue power cells carried energy for 100 shots. However, the rifle could also be loaded with plasma cartridges that could last for more than 500 shots.